Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, it's Jessica. I'm a beach girl who loves to explore the world, one beach at a time. And I am so excited to take you all with me to my recent destination, the sunny beaches of Barcelona. Before we start, please don't forget to like and comment on the video. Alright then, let's get started. We started off with a pleasant drive down to one of Barcelona's famous beaches, Playa La Barceloneta. It might be 2023, but the beach still has an old world charm to it. The minute I laid eyes on the beach, I couldn't help but be taken aback by its beauty. The golden sands stretching endlessly and the crystal clear waters were a sight to behold. I felt a wave of nostalgia that brought me back to the past. But I was not here for reverie, I was here for a classic beachside experience. And that's precisely what Barcelona delivered. We spent the day snorkeling in the Mediterranean, soaking up the sun, strolling down the beachside, and of course, dipping our toes into the water. The day was over all too soon, and I was soon finding myself on the beach again, brimming with the newfound appreciation of the little joys around me. I couldn't help but be grateful for everything that I had experienced in Barcelona and am already looking forward to the next beach adventure. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and write a comment under it. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated with my travel adventures. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.